Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about structured programming. So before that, first you need to know what is program. What is program? So program is nothing but set of instructions. Program is nothing but set of instructions. So instructions are nothing but rules. So rules for developing one program. Okay. So programs are used to solve one particular problem, to perform one task. Okay. So while developing program, we need to instructions. We need to use instructions. Instructions are nothing but rules. Okay. So here structured programming is nothing but, so here the program use one structure, one representation. So you need to follow the structure, you need to follow that representation while developing the program. So structured programming involves building a program using smaller modules. The modules are easy to read and write. So here program is developed using structure. So first this step, and second, third, fourth. So in this way you need to follow the structure, you need to follow the order. So those modules are easy to read and write. Okay. Next one is in structured programming. So in structured programming, the problem in structured programming, the problem to be solved is broken down into smaller tasks. So broken down into smaller tasks that can be written independently. Okay. So here whole problem is divided into separate tasks. Okay. Once written, the small tasks are combined together to form complete task. So after that, these small tasks are combined to form complete task. Okay. So let's see. Structured programming can be performed in two ways. Those are procedural programming. Just wait. Procedural programming and modular programming. Okay. So these two forms are structured programming. Okay. So the first way is procedural programming. So here function 1, function 2, procedure 1, next main. So C program execution starts from main method. Okay. So main method is used to indicate starting of the program. So from the main method, the program is executed. So in main method, function 1 is called. So directly function 1 is executed. After that, after executing this, it backs to the function 1. So after function 1, procedure 1 is there. So next procedure is executed. After that, it comes back to main method. Next function 2 is there. Next function 2 is executed. After that, it backs to main method. Okay. So all are executed, then it stops the execution. Okay. In this way, the procedural programming is executed. So next, let's see modular programming. So here whole problem is divided into three modules. So module 2. Okay, two modules, and this is one main module. Okay. So this will be stored in separate file, and this will be stored in separate file, and this will be stored in separate file. Three files. Okay. So first main function is executed. File 2 dot function 1. So in file 2, function 1 is first executed. After that, file 3 dot procedure 1. After that, procedure in file 3, procedure 1 is executed. Okay. So after that, it stops the execution. Okay. So this is nothing but modular programming. So we divided into smaller modules and then we perform the task. Okay. So let's see procedural programming. So procedural programming requires given task to be divided into smaller procedures or functions or subroutines. So first we are divided the program into functions and procedures. Okay. Next, a procedural program is largely single file, consists of many procedures and functions named main. Okay. A procedure or function is used to perform a specific task. So here the functions and procedures are used to perform one specific task. Anything. Okay. So here addition or subtraction, multiplication, any operation is performed. So function or procedure is used to perform one specific task. Okay. Next, function main integrates the procedure function making call to them. So if you want to perform the task in function, then you need to call those functions. So if you want to perform this task in function 1, then you need to call that function. Okay. That implements the functionality of the problem. When the procedures or function is called, the execution. So whenever the procedures or functions are called, okay, if we call procedures or functions, the execution control jumps to procedures and functions. The procedures functions are executed. Okay. So after the execution, the control comes back to calling or functions. Okay. So let's see. So here function 1 is first executed. So this task is performed. After performing this task, the control comes back to the main method. Okay. So in this way, the procedural program is executed. So next, let's see modular programming. So modular programming requires breaking down of program into group of files. So file 1, file 2 and main file. So in this way, the modules are broken down. Whole program is broken down. File consists of program that can be executed independently. So every module is executed independently. So in a modular program, the problem is divided into different independent related tasks. For each identified task, a separate program module is written, which program file can be executed independently. So this module is executed independently. Every module is executed independently. The different files of the programs are integrated by using main program file. Okay. So let's see. So here this is module 1 and this is module 2. So you can write any number of modules. So this module is independently executed without depending on this module. Okay. So every module is executed independently. So these modules are not dependent on any other module. Okay. So if you want to execute this module is executed. So it is not dependent on this. Okay. So if you want to combine the modules, so if you want to access all the modules, that is possible only by using main module. So by using main module, you can access all the modules. That is nothing but modular design. So here the main program file invokes the other files in order to fulfill the functionality of the problem. So if you want to fulfill the functionality of problem or program, you need to use main program. So main program file that invokes other files in order to fulfill the functionalities. Okay. So this is the structured programming. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this, please comment me in the comment section. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.